Junkfoodtaster.com. Here we go, my brew friends. It's Monday, and you know what time it is. Monday is the soft drink Monday. So I was going to the supermarket and was buying like the most awesome thing for the soft drink Monday. Alrighty, and this one is called the vegan Sangrita picante. And yeah, it says it's a Mexican recipe. And it's juices, pure juices and fiery seasoning. Very good. So if we are from Mexico, is this something you consume there? Or have you never heard of something like this? Let me know. I'm not quite sure why they're putting vegan on. I think most of drinks are vegan. And the main ingredient is tomato juice concentrate. Alright, so it's a snack. I can make alcoholic mixed drinks and meat dishes and soups and sauces. Oh, this is like for everything. Okay, also for drinking. Anyways, comes with this rather unique packaging where the label is cut out a little bit. And yeah. The Mexican lady on the label. It says it's a liquid snack. So it's not. Is this technically then a drink? Oopsie. Oh, did I damage the table? So I shake it. It's also chilled now. Somewhere on the bottle it says you should drink it chill. So let's put it into the glass and drink it. Say this is a 6 substance. And yeah, before I drink it, I make a thumbnail. So also, if you're not from Mexico, let me know. This is like fancy tomato. This is basically fancy tomato juice, isn't it? Fancy vegetable juice. Okay. This is the most boring thumbnail ever. Okay. Now I got you waiting long enough and I will flush it down. Let's do it. Oh my god. No. So the first couple of seconds are the first couple of seconds you're thinking you are drinking Heinz tomato ketchup. Then you have acid. Then you have to deal with the acid. It's like super sour. And then you got the pepper. Then you got the pepper finish. This is definitely intense. So just the other day I had like Pringles jalapeno and this was a joke. And now I have like a spice drink which sort of really lives up to the promise. And yeah. I also recommend that you don't drink too much at once, since there is a risk to split it out. So that, yeah. But I think you get used to it. More. Wow. Digestifies, I don't know. I don't know whether you get diarrhea if you drink the whole bottle or something like this. Yeah, this is cool stuff. I like it. This is crazy. Crazy food. So Let's make everything ready for the logbook. Let's log the results. Okay. This is a pre-production. So I haven't produced Saturday and Sunday yet. And the rate is gourmet, so it's the right rate. And this is something if you want to have some fun. You drink some of this. And this was called Mexican and fiery. This is called Sangrita. I reviewed it before, like in the super old days. And I don't know what I gave there. Anyways, maybe it was a different flavor, I don't know. This is the picante. Picante. Okay. Gourmet. And is there a company or something? No, the company is called Sangrita. Okay, so there we have it. This is liquid sour spicy ketchup. Very exciting. So thanks for watching, my beautiful friends, and see you tomorrow on a Tuesday.